So, have you been in a situation where you have to convert a particular file to a PDF or a PDF to an image or split a PDF, merge a PDF on the go and so on? Because I have to do it on multiple occasions using my iPhone. Hello everyone, iFranTech back here with another video, and today I'm going to show you all how to deal with this, as it is quite difficult to Google it every time you want to convert or merge a PDF on your iPhone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert a particular PDF file to a Word file or a Word file to a PDF file using an amazing application called ToolRocket PDF Converter. ToolRocket PDF Converter application for your iOS device is one of the best applications to fix all the problems related to your office work. And to download the application, all you have to do is go to the link in the description down below, or else you can also go to the App Store, search for the app itself, and the app will be downloaded on your iPhone. So one good news for all my subscribers is that I will be giving away 5 of the premium codes for free. So the first 5 users who download and register in the app will get the premium subscription for free. All you have to do is just go into the app, go to the profile and just copy your ID, which is the app ID, and comment it down below. So the first 5 users who comment their IDs down below will get the premium subscription for free. Now let's get into the app itself. So this is the interface of the app. On the very top right side, you can see a VIP option, which will take you to the upgrade page. Upgrading to a premium plan has unlimited access to the functions of the application, like you can convert unlimited PDF to Word, you can also convert a PDF to image file, you can support merging of up to 12 PDF files, PDF encryption and decryption, you can remove watermark from your PDF file, and you can also split your PDF files. Also, you can tap on the Mine option below right side, and here you will find the same option, Upgrade to Premium. If you tap on Try for free, you can enjoy 3 days of premium services for free, after which you will be charged with the normal price. You can also cancel anytime if you want. Here you will also find your app ID, which you can note down and write down in the comment section for free premium service for the first 5 users. Now coming back to the app, you can see all the functionalities on the home page of the application. It says convert from PDF, so you can convert from PDF to Word, PDF to image, PDF to Excel, and on the second thing it says convert to PDF, so you can convert pictures to PDF, Word file to PDF, and also PowerPoint presentations to PDF. Down below you can basically find the option to split the PDF, merge the PDF files, preview the files, and also compress the PDF and so on. So there are a couple of other features that require the premium service. So if you want that, you can tap on the VIP option on the top right side, and after that you know the drill. But most of the things are done with the free version. So let's begin with the app itself. So the first thing we'll do is we'll try to convert a PDF to a Word file. So if you want to do that, tap on the PDF to Word option, and then let's say select any PDF you want. So we will select this one, and it will basically prompt you to upgrade to premium service. As in the free version, you are allowed to convert for 5 pages only. So if you don't want to do that, just tap on up to 5 pages and the PDF will start converting into the Word file. So it was that easy. You can also rename it if you want to anything. So there we go, and when you are done, you can preview it, and if you go back, you can also share it right away from here to anywhere you want. Now here what I'll do is I'll save this file in the files application of my iPhone in the Word folder. Once the file is saved, we'll open the files application of my iPhone and go to the same folder, and here you can see the file which we have just saved. Tap and hold on that file and select the share option, and now open this file in the Office 365 application of your iPhone. Once the file is open in the Office application, it has been converted to the Word file, but we cannot make any changes or write down anything in the file because it is a non-editable version of the Word file. Now to make this an editable version, tap on the three dots on the top right side, select the option Save as Copy, and it will ask you again to save the file on the Files application of your iPhone. Once the file is saved, it will ask you to rename the file. Now this is as per your requirement. If you want to rename a file, you can do it right now, and if you want to keep it the same name by default, you can keep it the same way. So once the file is saved in the Files application of your iPhone, it will automatically convert into an editable version, and now in this version you can write down anything which you want. You can also cut and copy or paste any section of the document wherever you like. You can also share this new version from here to anywhere you want. Now we'll see another option to convert a PDF file into an image file, and to do that, tap on any PDF file which you want, and when you tap on that, it will again prompt you to upgrade to the premium services. Now tap on up to 5 pages and it will start converting the PDF file into image file. And as we have done before, you have the option to rename the file whichever you like. You can also tap on preview to have the preview of the converted file. Tap on the share to share it right away from here to anywhere you want. Now you also have the option to save the converted images in the Photos application of your iPhone. So once you tap on the preview, you can have the option of Save to Album. You can select all the images which you want and they will be automatically saved in the Photos application of your iPhone. Open the Photos application of your iPhone and here you can find the images of the PDF which you just converted. So this app makes it pretty easy to convert any file to basically anything. So it's not required for you to search it every time you want to convert a specific file to a specific file again. So this is a all-in-one app and I highly recommend this one that you download this app on your iPhone or iPad as well. The download link will be available down below and also I will pin up in the comment section as well. So that's pretty much in this video guys, and I really hope that you like this video. So don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and a sub to the channel would be really appreciated for more such videos. Thanks for watching. My name is Farhan. This is iFranTech and I'll see you around.